Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome back to our lessons for Medina Book 1. We are in the lesson 13, الدرس الثالث عشر. And we are going to do the part 4, inshallah. So we have 5 exercises to do in this part 4, inshallah. And we finish what we say part B of the book, and we start in next lesson, which is our part 5, which is by part G as well. Okay, inshallah, we start with this first exercise, which is called اقرأ المثال ثم حول الجمل الآتية مثله. That means change the subject in each of the following sentences to plural. Here the subject is Zainabu, will be Zainabu wa Aminatu wa Maryamu, means hunna. Okay, we have al-mudarrisatu, al-talibatu, and bintu Muhammadin. Okay, so here we are going to write in Arabic, inshallah. So we are going to do our writing. Zainabu kharajat. We do only Arabic this time. Okay, we don't translate. We just translate verbally. But what we write on the board is the exercise. Okay, Zainabu kharajat. Hiya kharajat. Okay, we have hiya kharajat. We make it in white. Okay, هي خرجت. So we have هن زينب وآمنة ومريم. These are 3. هن خرجنا. Okay, that we have in the example. So we have 1, 2, and 3. المدرسة ذهبت. So what is the plural of المدرسة? So we have المدرسات ذهبنا. Good. ذهبنا. Okay, let's do the vowels. For those who cannot follow with no vowels, ذهبنا إلى الفصل. Okay, إلى الفصل. We don't need a vowel here. إلى الفصل. إلى الفصل. الطالبات مفرد، جمعها الطالبات. We said that this is جمع مؤنث سالم, and in جمع مؤنث سالم we just change for the feminine. We change تاء مربوطة at the end to ألف تاء منبسطة. الطالبات الجدد. جلسنا. الطالبات الجدد جلسنا في الفصل. Okay, make it smaller. نقطة. بنت محمد means Muhammad's daughter will be Muhammad's daughters. بنات محمد and ذهبنا. Yeah. ذهبنا. ذهبت هي ذهبنهن إلى المدرسة. Okay, to the school. By this we finish this exercise. to make a plural, okay? زينب خرجت من الفصل. Zainab went left the classroom. زينب وآمنة ومريم they left the classroom. خرجنا. المدرسة ذهبت إلى الفصل means المدرسات the teachers went ذهبنا إلى الفصل to the classroom. الطالبات الجدد the new students جلسنا في الفصل. okay. And بنات الطالبات the new students sat in the classroom. And بنت محمد or بنات محمد Muhammad's daughters ذهبنا إلى المدرسة. okay, so إلى المدرسة to the school. okay, so we finish with this and we take number 1. This is our second exercise. We're going to do, should be clear inshallah, yeah? Okay, so here we have to say أشير means put اسم إشارة إلى الأسماء الآتية والتالية to these to the أشير put to these nouns. okay, باسم إشارة للقارب with اسم إشارة للقارب that we know. للقارب now we have 3 learned. هذا for المفرد المذكر. هذه for المفرد المؤنث. هؤلاء for both of them جمع مذكر and مؤنث. okay, so we do for أخي we have هذا أخي. هذا no need for the vowels, yeah. هذا أخي. هذا أخي. For أختي it is هذه أختي. okay, هذه أختي. For رجال we do هؤلاء. هؤلاء رجال. okay, for مدرسون we do as well هؤلاء مدرسون. for الطالبات we have the same هؤلاء طالبات. for أمي it's هذه أمي. for أبي it's هذا أبي. for طالبة it's هذه طالبة. and for طبيبات it's هؤلاء for the plural. okay, طبيبات. هؤلاء طبيبات. and for تجار as well it's the same. it's هؤلاء تجار. okay, so we have here the singular. it's هذا for masculine and هذه for feminine. we did this. And for plural, we have هؤلاء for both of masculine and feminine. okay, we have هؤلاء رجال. هؤلاء مدرسون. هؤلاء طالبات. هؤلاء طبيبات. and هؤلاء تجار. okay, it's used for both. okay, so I think this is clear. And we go for number 2 exercise. And we check what is this, inshallah. Here they say that we have to do okay, make some space. okay, leave this هذا. Okay. من هذا الرجل? Here we have to, what did I say here to do? I think we have to ask to read the question. Yeah. The question is this one. So we say ضع في الأماكن الخالية من الجمل الآتي ضمير مناسب. We have هو. So this is extra هذا. Okay, don't take up. You can take it off. So just a miscut of the software. Okay, so we have here هذا. We have to put either هذا, okay, هذا or هو. Sorry, we have to put هو الضمير المنفصل هو. We have to put here, or we have to put as well هم or هن. Okay. In this exercise, they ask us to do this one. هو for one singular male, here for one singular female, whom for three and more plural male, and هن for three and more the plural feminine. Okay, for the two we have different one. Okay, let's go for this. And من هذا الرجل? Who is that man? Who is that man? هو مدرس. He is a teacher. أين الطالبات? Plural. هن. They are in the classroom. هن في الفصل. من هؤلاء الفتية؟ الفتية is not الفتاة. الفتية is boys. هم أبناء. من هؤلاء? Who are these young men? Who are these young men? هن أبناء المدرس. هم أبناء. They are the teacher's sons. أين الطالبة الجديدة? Where is the new student? الطالبة is here. هي في المكتبة. Okay, so here she is in the library. So أين الطبيبة? من هؤلاء الناس؟ الناس is هم. Okay, so هم حجاج من الهند. هم حجاج من الهند. أين الطبيبات? And we are sorry for this هذا. Okay, this هذا is extra here. Doesn't want to get out. أين الطبيبات? الطبيبات is the plural feminine, the pronoun demonstrative. The الضمير المنفصل is called هن. هن. They are في مستشفى الولادة. We did مستشفى الولادة in lesson 4 or 5. Okay. هن في مستشفى الولادة. They are in the maternity hospital. من هذا الولد الذي خرج من بيتك? Who is this boy who left from your house? It is هو. Okay. هذا الولد هو ابن أخي. He is my nephew. He is the son of my brother. من أين هؤلاء الضيوف؟ هؤلاء الضيوف. الضيوف is masculine plural, so it is هم. من أين? Where are these guests from? هم من الرياض. They are from Riyadh. من أين هؤلاء الممرضات? From where are these nurses? Feminine plural. هن. Okay. So هن من الفلبين. They are from Philippines. من هذه الفتاة? Who is this young lady? And she is. Okay. هي الفتاة one singular feminine. هي بنت المدرسة. She is the daughter of the teacher. Good. Okay, I think we finished with this as well. Okay, and we take off this one as well. Finish. We go for the number 3 and we just check what they have or what they are asking us to do here. Okay. So let it be bigger. هات جمع. You still have this header. Okay. هات جمع الأسماء الآتية. جمع الأسماء الآتية. So أخت will be أخوات. أخوات for أخت. طبيب will be أطباء. It's masculine, yeah. أطباء. كبير will be كبار. كبار. كاف كسرة, yeah. Okay, I hope it's hidden, yeah. Good. Sorry, كبير. كبار. كبيرة. We have the same. كبار. بنت. بنات. Okay, we have بنات. زوج. أزواج. أزواج. طويل. طوال. بكسرة with كسرة طوال. Okay. جديد. جدد. جو دم دون دم دم دم. جدد. مسلمة. We have مسلمات. جمع مؤنث سالم. مسلمات. زوجة. جمع مؤنث سالم. زوجات not أزواج. أزواج is for the masculine. زوجات. جديدة. جدد the same. Okay. طبيبة. جمع مؤنث سالم. طبيبات. فتاة. فتيات. فتيات. and أخ different from أخت. أخت is a sister, is أخوات. أخ is called إخوة. إخوة. Sorry. إخوة. Okay, these are the plurals of الأسماء المفردة. We got جمع of them. These are some they are broken, some they are سالم. Okay, we learned this inshallah. We are going to put them in the list here. جمع التكسير. جمع التكسير. Okay. And جمع السالم. جمع السالم. Okay. We have two. جمع التكسير and جمع السالم. We divide here, yeah? And let's do, yeah. divide here as well, and we do this as well. So let's do the white, yeah? I prefer to have it in white. To make it appearing well. Okay, so what we have here, we finish with this one. We take off this one, and we have أخوات جمع السالم. So what I want to do is to put جمع التكسير first. أطباء جمع التكسير، كبار جمع التكسير، كبار is the same، جدد جمع التكسير، جدد جمع التكسير، إخوة جمع التكسير، جدد جمع التكسير، أزواج جمع التكسير، أخوات أخت جمع التكسير. This is مؤنث because أخو أخت أخوات. Okay, so here we have for جمع السالم we have only المؤنث, yeah. طبيبات، مسلمات، زوجات، فتيات، فتية، فتاة، فتيات جمع التكسير، أخوات جمع التكسير، بنت، بنات. Okay, جمع مؤنث سالم. Okay. Or جمع التكسير. This is not it's the broken one. Sorry. Okay, so all these are the broken ones. And the salim. Okay, so let's go for the last one. And we are going to study it, inshallah. Okay, so what we have here, we have, as we said, al هذا. هذا. Sorry. We have أسماء الإشارة here. أسماء الإشارة هذا for masculine singular. هذا طالب. And we have هؤلاء for the masculine plural. هؤلاء الطلاب. We have هذه feminine masculine. طالبة. هؤلاء plural feminine. Okay. So what we can say here, that we have هذا and هذه for masculine. هذا is for sorry, هذا and هذه for singular. هذا for masculine and هذه for feminine. Okay, that we did in lesson 1 and lesson 6. هذا طالب, this is a student male. هذه طالبة, this is a student female, only one. But if we go for الجمع, هؤلاء طلاب, these are students male, and هؤلاء طالبات, these are students female. Do we use the same هؤلاء? Okay, so inshallah we try to finish with this, and we go for الزوج let's do the meaning. Yeah, الزوج a husband. Okay, a husband. Let's go for الزوج, which is a husband. Okay. المرأة, which is a lady. A lady. المرأة جمعها النساء. المرأة sorry, the lady. Yes, it's the lady. Yeah? المرأة, the lady. المرأة بدون ال is called امرأة. امرأة is called a lady. Okay, امرأة, a lady. Okay, we to put it here. Take off هذا. And قريب is near. Okay, we did this للقريب, near, to close things, near. Okay. All these are the new words, inshallah, that we do. Next lesson will be our part 5, which is part G as well from the book. Okay. So if you have any questions, just ask in the commentary or ask your own teachers in your groups. Okay. Jazakumullahu khair for watching us. Don't forget us in your dua, and see you inshallah next lesson. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Okay, we get some problems of the software. Assalamu alaikum, barakallahu fikum for watching us.